So today is a sad day for the car. Sad, but then not. But I don't know how to really justify it, but it's sad for me. But it'll only be gone for a little bit. But there she go. Poro. So let me update you on everything that's gonna happen, because I know I haven't even been dropping videos, but let me tell you why. My editor, she act like she got other stuff to do, but I ain't gonna lie, she got a lot of stuff to do. She got making cuts, all that type of stuff, so I'm not gonna even say nothing about what she got going on, because I don't know if she want to add that to the channel or not. But let's get into this though. Let me show you for the car what's coming and what everything like that. So we are installing everything that I had in the garage so far. I already put the cold air intake on. We installing the headers, the cam, all that stuff like that. It is going to my guy Luis. I will be posting his Instagram probably in the description. If you want me to, I'll ask him, whatever. But let me show you, we got everything loaded. So let's pop the trunk. Let's pop the trunkity. So in the trunk, we got everything that's gonna go on the car. We got some stuff from LSX Acceleration. I got a lot of OEM stuff. Texas Speed cam, all that stuff like that. This is the new clutch, the flywheel. I actually labeled everything because I had so many boxes, I didn't know what was in what, and I was trying to keep everything organized. And then we got the antifreeze, the oil, got some stuff up in here from AutoZone, oil filter, red lock for the bolts, some gasket stuff, parts cleaner. Oh, I'm actually like mud. Yeah, so that's that. Everything that's going in the car, cam, springs, oil pump, all that good stuff. A whole bunch of gaskets all up in there, and yeah, I just don't feel like taking it out, but you understand. Then in the car we got let me unlock it. Don't forget, YouTube channel, Instagram right there below. So in the car, yeah, I need some mats, man. So in the car we got over here, let's see, we got the headers right here. We got the little mid pipe craps, or cats, whatever you want to call those. We got the gaskets right here, and the plugs, and the extensions, and more gaskets. So yep, so we are dropping it off. He told me to drop it off at 6, so that's where we will be going. Right now it is 5:15. I think the shop is like I want to say like 30 minutes away or something like that. Something like that. But I will be getting the before and after. And don't forget, we are going to LS Fest 2022. I didn't get to go to 2021. My neighbor gave me this. Shout out to my neighbor that gave me this poster. I think he went. And then he got this banner for us too. So put a little touches to the garage and stuff like that. So I am gonna be getting some for the next one. So let me get a startup of before and when we install the cam after. So right now we about to get a startup of how it sounds before the cam and after. We'll have bass started up. That sound is. I don't want her to rev it because we had to sit in the garage for like 3 days. So Rev it. Huh? Huh? Is it neutral? Oh, yeah. Just a little bit. Oh, my. Okay. Then we'll get back to you. What is this dog? So this is how it sounded after the cam install. Boy, this thing choppy doppy. Sound crazy. Today, Junior. Oh my Jesus, wishes. Hey, did y'all see? Sheesh. Nobody even told her to do that. See, that's why we don't. That's why she don't drive it.